He will come. Vang Pao flies in the first plane. This is part of leadership. Vang Pao is a unique man. He said that when he started working for the people, he stopped listening to his wives, all 4 of them. He talks of communism. It is mostly family feuds or being in the wrong village at the wrong time. So he fights with politics and psychology, as well as guns. Choosing the time to arm people is like picking fruit or a wife. Too early, and they're not ready. Too late, and the enemy already have them. The plane is specially designed for short fields at high altitude. Landings are tricky, for the wind always blows. A field worse than this, the pilots call agony. Vang Pao begins by making contact with people. No man too small to fight. No man too small to listen to. This too is part of leadership. He talks of the war in the language of the hills. The Lao government treated them as hunting dogs. But to trust a communist is to sleep with a tiger. He understands their thinking and half believes himself in the spirits and spells of their animism. The people will fight only for what they know. He will help the village fight for village things. A contract of equals. They can be taught little by little to grow and fight for something larger.